We are now going to have a go at finding half of a number. So we've already discovered that half means sharing something into two equal groups. So we have our whole, which is where it's all together. This is the whole. And we share it into two groups, trying to make sure that each group has the same amount. So I've got a ball of, let's say that this is a donut, half a donut for my friend Toya, and half a donut for me. So we have got half each. We can also find half of numbers, and I'm going to show you how to do that today. So you can choose a number. I'm going to choose the number 4, and we're going to have a go at finding half. So what you need for this is you're going to have 2 plates or 2 pots, because we're going to share the number between 2 people. And we need to count out 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get rid of all your other objects so that they don't confuse you. Remember, in maths we keep things nice and tidy and neat to make it easier. So I've got my plate here, my friend's plate here. And I have got 4 sweets. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I want to half the number of sweets because I want to make sure that we've both got the same amount. Now if I did this, that's not half, because I've got 3 and my friend's only got 1. So this is how we half a number. We're going to play 1 for you, 1 for me. 1 for you, 1 for me. 1 for you, 1 for me. So now I have found half of my number 4. I've split my 4 into 2 groups, making sure that each group has got the same amount. So I now know that half of 4 equals how many? 2. That's right. Half 4 cut into 2, or half of 4 equals 2. Shall we try this again? Let's go for a larger number this time. Let's have a go at halving the number 8. So I need to count out 8 buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here we go. Got my 8 buttons. Let's just double check we've got 8 because that's really important. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, I've got my 8. Right, and we're now going to do 1 for you, 1 for me, because I want to find half of my number 8. 1 for you, 1 for me. 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 Let's check that they've both got the same amount because we want to make sure it's fair. Don't want anyone getting upset. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got 4 there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, that's the same amount. So I now know what half of 8 is. Half, got my 2 groups. Half is 1. Half equals 1, 2, 3, 4. Half of 8 equals 4. I wonder if you can have a go at halving some numbers and finding out what the answer is.